Guys, it's RobbxAce back again with another video, and today we're going to do something different. We're going to fix up my wife's room because she keeps putting it off and she's been wanting to do it for so long. So I decided this is the best time to do it. So let's stay tuned and see how it turns out. My wife loves plants. I decided to make a green accent wall, so I headed out to Lowe's and picked up 2 packs of this 40 by 40 panels, hoping that it would fill up this small section of the room. I also went and got me a staple gun so that I can easily hang up these green panels without any issues. If you are doing this by yourself, just do one panel at a time. I was trying to be Superman and do multiple at one time, and I was hurting by the end of the day. So don't do that. Go ahead and do it one panel at a time and get it done. So I'm not the type to do a whole lot of measurements, and I probably should. And it was around this time I started to calculate and realized I didn't have enough to fill out this whole wall. So I'm gonna take out the middle panels right here, and I'm going to cover it up with a picture and hope nobody notices. As you can see, even here, I'm cutting the panels to make it at least not show underneath the pictures, but you got to do what you got to do. So for these last 2 steps, I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up around $20 worth of flowers, and I began to stick them a little bit chaotically on the panels to give it a little bit more color. Last, I added a little bit of lighting, and after all of that hard work, this is how it came out. Now that it's done, I get to show my wife.
Oh, the room.
Yeah, check the room.
Are you serious?
How you like?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. There's all
As you can see, my wife is very happy with the results, and so we're going to continue to make edits to this room until it turns into her dream office, and we're going to take you guys along the ride. So hope you guys hit that follow button and subscribe, and hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.